My flight wasn't until the afternoon, but since the free hotel shuttle only ran in the morning, I had to head to the airport early. At first, I thought I would just be stuck waiting around, but I was so wrong. Turns out, New Chitose Airport isn't just an airport, it's an experience. And somehow, in the final hours of my Hokkaido trip, I had one of the best days of the entire journey. The first thing that caught my attention? Fresh seafood. Yes, they actually sell fresh seafood at the airport. Huge crabs, sashimi, and even trays of uni, just like at Hokkaido's famous markets. Too bad I couldn't bring any of it home. Otherwise, my suitcase might have been filled with seafood instead of souvenirs. But instead, I found some unique souvenirs: an Ainu-themed Doraemon plush, an eye mask filled with fake salmon roe, which can be microwaved for a warm sensation, and of course, Royce chocolates, but with a seasonal twist. Chestnut flavor. It was a seasonal limited edition, so naturally, I had to get it. Then I stumbled upon Smile Road, a part of the airport filled with themed attractions. Three spots caught my attention: Royce Chocolate World, Hello Kitty Happy Flight, and Doraemon Waku Waku Sky Park. Now, being a huge Doraemon fan, there was no way I was skipping that. But first, chocolate. Royce Chocolate World was a dream come true for any chocolate lover. Not only do they sell chocolates, but they also have a bakery where they use Royce chocolate in their bread. I had to try their two most popular items, the Nama chocolate croissant and a chocolate sandwich bun stuffed with an entire Royce chocolate bar. The Nama chocolate croissant was pure heaven, flaky, buttery, and filled with rich, velvety chocolate. Very fluffy, rich chocolate filling. As for the chocolate sandwich, this sandwich has an entire Royce chocolate bar in it. Let's take a bite. Let's just say this thing was not for the faint of heart. It was literally an entire Royce chocolate bar between bread. Pure decadence. High in calories? Well, definitely. Worth it?
For sure.
Absolutely. Also have a chocolate cream filling in addition to the entire chocolate bar. They even make some of their chocolates on site, watching the automated machines work with precision, then seeing the workers carefully package them. It was mesmerizing. After all that chocolate, I needed something to balance it out. And nothing says Hokkaido like a bottle of fresh, creamy Hokkaido milk. Simple, refreshing, and iconic. But then I saw the Doraemon Cafe. How could I resist? I wasn't hungry enough for a full meal, so I got an iced chocolate latte with Doraemon art and a dorami-shaped sweet potato taiyaki. They were almost too cute to eat. Almost. Dorami taiyaki. seasonal taiyaki. Seasonal flavor. Sweet potato goes from until December. I'm just too full to try everything else, so and then Doraemon Waku Waku Sky Park. This wasn't just a store, it was an experience.
お会計800円です。
はい。
ありがとうございました。お客様以下へと入場券と。
は
そうなんですが、中でドラえもんが遊びに来てくれます。
はい、
一緒にお写真撮ることができるチケットです。こ
はい、
ちらもお持ちください。
ありがとうございます。
中、飴やガムなど食べ物食べることできないので、お願いします。お待たせしました。いってらっしゃい。
ありがとう。こんにちは。Life-sized replicas of Doraemon's gadgets, Nobita's entire room, and so much more. I felt like I had stepped straight into the world of my favorite childhood anime. のび太のうちは2階建の 3PK ですね。They even had a dressed-up Doraemon character come out and interact with visitors. The whole place was a dream come true for any Doraemon fan. I honestly didn't expect to have a Doraemon like dedicated area in Chitose Airport, New Chitose Airport. It's just like definitely made my day, and you know, having the best wrap up of this trip. Like I was just so enjoying myself. Clearly, Doraemon was my favorite character that I had, you know, growing up. I'm speechless. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy to have that, and it was a good time. Just overall, definitely spend the time at New Chitose Airport. Don't worry if you come early. There's tons of things to do here, even if you are 5 hours early before your flight like me. But anyway, I'm about timed to check in now. Well, okay, I'll catch you later. I never expected an airport to be one of the highlights of my trip, but New Chitose Airport proved me wrong. From gourmet chocolate and fresh milk to anime nostalgia, it was the perfect send-off for my Hokkaido adventure. If you ever fly out of here, do yourself a favor. Arrive early. You might just end up having one of the best days of your trip too. Well, that's the conclusion. And see you in the next adventure. Take good care. So we've landed in Hong Kong. That's the Hong Kong style milk tea. It's red tea base.